Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to talk about my block my Forex account. Yes, yeah. So let's hop right into this video. So first things first, if you are new, make sure you subscribe and hit the bell notification button so you get notified anytime I release a new video like this one. So guys, this one over here, this currency liquidated me today. So today, I told you guys in my last video, if you haven't watched that, you can go watch that. I talk about 3 business models you can do to earn money online. So I talk about Forex, and I said I'm going to be starting Forex very soon. I'm going to be sharing my journey about this, so on this rather. So as you can see, my balance is zero, right? My balance is zero, equity zero, everything zero. So actually, it wasn't zero actually. So today I deposited $10. I started with $10 today, and everything was going quite well. As you can see, 0.39 cents. You see, first loss, second, third, fourth. You see, they were like going on cents. Under loss here. I was actually winning. Although I just did a little bit of analysis, a little bit of analysis. I watched a YouTube video and I just replicated what they did there. So I was getting in and getting out real quick. I didn't even wait for my take profit to eat. I didn't even wait for the stuff to eat my take profit. I just took it out. Although I'm learning about Forex though, so I just did this as a practical. So 1:30 p.m. today, they released the news and everything just went wow. So I started with this. I bought Bitcoin when Bitcoin pumped 26,400 and blah 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 dollars, 424. I bought at 424 US dollar, 26,424 US dollars. So I thought it was going to like go up, but it came down. I sold at 25,858 at a loss of $5. So I was so mad. But I opened these trades then. These trades were also running, these Bitcoin trades. So I had to close these 2 trades. I was so happy when this closed at 58 cents and this closed at 13 cents. I was very, very happy. So I started with EUR, which was what I was trading since morning, getting this small cents, this cent, like as you can see, EUR over USD. That is euros over USD, over USD rather. So I started it again. Then I thought of something. Let me increase my lot size. So I increased my lot size here. Starting from this place. So I got 30 cents, and I did a mistake actually. Look at it. Okay, this is where I started increasing my lot size from this place. I got 60 cents. I was so happy. I was like, wow, this is it. I got 60 cents. I was like, oh my god, 60 cents, just one trade. So I did this also. I got $1.50. That was my first big money. Like I was just mind blown. As you can see, this Bitcoin trade also went bad. So I don't think Bitcoin is my way. So I did this also, 70 cents, 30 cents, $1.50, 30 cents, $1.30. You see, 18 cents. Like bro, I thought I was winning. 38 cents, 10 cents, $1.10, $1.76, my highest, $0.99. Like bro, 11 cents. Then I entered on that trade. So I know I already wasted. I closed this trade, this Bitcoin trade, this one here and this one here, where the last, as part of the last 4 trades I closed actually. So and this one here too was also there. I closed this also with on a loss. I closed these ones here before this red, this green, this blue, these positive ones. I closed them before this red actually. So when I saw the red reward that was going deeper, that was when I closed this first Bitcoin red here, this first $5 here. But then I opened the trade earlier, but I closed it very, very late after all these ones, and I closed this $2 here too late after gaining everything. So I also lost. I entered a trade, guys. I lost. I entered 2 trades, guys. I opened like, bro, I bought. I thought it was going to go back up, like according to what I saw, but it didn't go back up, bro. This market was so full that time. I liquidated at once. Like as in, after that, my balance was like minus. It was showing -10, -3, -$2, -$1. Sorry, oh sorry, $2, $1, -$1, -$3. Then boom, I couldn't say, I didn't find it, bro. I felt like crying. Like I was like, oh my god, what is this? Because I've never felt something like this before. I'm only used to trading crypto, and crypto is not really like this. Not futures though. I don't trade futures. I just trade spot. I just buy and hold and then sell. Like after a day. So I'm new to Forex actually. This is my first time. This is the first time funding my account. I think the first I funded my account, and I exploded my, like, I burnt my account to ashes in less than 24 hours, in less than 12 hours actually. I think they should give me a world record for Forex account blowing up actually. So this is just it, and what I learned from this is, first of all, when I entered this trade, I already got profits of 22 cents each. But no, not each. I think one was 22 cents, one was 25 or so, or 20. I don't know. I can't remember. But I was like, okay, I can't remember. But I was like, okay, I want to take more profits. Then it went down. Like, oh, it's still going to bounce back up. It's still going to bounce back up. Meanwhile, I didn't even know it had other plans for me. Then it came down, 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 down until I liquidated and balance, DNULL, which means null. Null means zero, as in zero. Bruh, I felt like crying, man. And now the market is closing, like EUR is closed. This is, well, they are all closed. I think they are all closed except cryptocurrency. Cryptocurrency never closes, as you can see. Wait, I think AUD is still open. It's moved now. Of American peso. Okay, I think it's closed. The market is cooled down now, as you can see. The market is cooled down now, and yeah, that is all about it in this video. Make sure you guys like, subscribe, and share this video to your friend. And please don't make the mistake I made, which is greed.